Yo, what up, Sliding Joe here. It's been a long time since I did a toy unboxing. I've got Sliding Joe stickers, so here is it. So if you see me, feel free to ask, okay? Huwag kayo mahiya, I'll be giving you, okay? Bale, dito muna tayo indoors. So, ito, I've been looking for this for a long time. Obiwan Kenobi action figure na 6-inch Black Series. So I've been looking for this for like 2 or 3 years already, but I was able to find online thanks to Mr. Ray Cortez who sold me this at a good price. So this is actually a pre-loved action figure. Okay, so let me unbox this. Okay, this is what it says here in the back. Okay, so what's it? The only catch here is yung lightsaber niya defective. So okay lang sa akin. Nandito siya. So let's unbox this. So if you saw my previous video with Obiwan Kenobi, I think from the Attack of Clones, just click on the link there. I'll also repost the link down. So here is it. Ito yung lightsaber niya. Ito yung sira niya. So at least honest si sir dito when he posted online. Nakita ko yung sira ng lightsaber niya. So this is it. So nabali siya actually if you see this. Mali siya. Pero okay lang. No big deal sa akin to. So ito lang. So anyway, I also have another lightsaber of Obiwan Kenobi, which is actually good. So this is it. So it comes with his robe. So ito yung kanyang appearance of Obiwan Kenobi in the original Star Wars trilogy sa A New Hope. It's what he is, what he wore. Ito yung robe niya. See? Ito yung gusto sa action figure. It comes with the talagang tela talaga siya, yung robe niya. My previous Obi-Wan Kenobi action figures, actually robe niya, it's made of plastic, parang ganito. So pwede matanggal yung robe niya here. It's removable. Ito. So if you recall the scene between Obi-Wan Kenobi and Darth Vader at the not the end of A New Hope, but the climax part. So ito yung robe niya when Obi-Wan Kenobi sacrificed himself in order to save Luke Skywalker and the gang. Ito yung naiwan. So ito lang mismo. So this is Obi-Wan Kenobi without the robe. So this is made by Hasbro. I'm not sure what year was this released. Let me check the box. I think this is 2018 or early 2019, not sure, but either way, you see his detail here. I think this is from the newer version of the Black Series of Star Wars. So, yep. So, yeah, kamukha na rin ni Sir Alec Guinness. Yeah, see? Nakuha din nila yung likeness niya. So sayang ni lightsaber, but since I'm after the figure more, so yun okay lang sa akin ito. So I'm not sure if you guys know, but one of my favorite Jedi's in Star Wars is Obi-Wan Kenobi. So I made sure that I completed his line. I'm now looking for the Phantom Menace Obi-Wan Kenobi episode 1. I found an action figure back I think 2 years ago. Unfortunately, hindi ko siya nabili because it's 1,500 pesos. But sana I wish I bought that time. And that time is when the first Mandalorian action figure came on as well. So I didn't know na ganun pala sisikat yung show as well. So ito, I have also the other Obi-Wan Kenobi from 1997 and from 1997 and the one from 2018, the re-released edition with the white box. So, this is it. So, kung avid collector ka ng Star Wars or a fan of Obiwan Kenobi, this is actually worth getting. You'll be able to find this in online sellers. So, yung price range siya depende. May nagbebenta na sa 1,000. Ang pinakamahal na nakita ko is 2,800 already. So, try to haggle down the price. But if you try to find this in toy stores as well, like Toy Kingdom or Toys R Us, usually discounted siya between 1,500 to 500 pesos. Kung 500 pesos to, kunin nyo na agad. Wag nyo na isipin. Diba? So, this is a good buy. See? I also have the Darth Vader action figure, so match talaga sila with a duo between the two of them. So, guys, ito. Okay, so I think this is it, guys. So, ito muna. This is my unboxing of Obiwan Kenobi action figure. Okay, guys, thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, okay? Okay, thanks again, okay, guys. Have a great day. Sliding Joe signing out. Bye-bye.